Welcome everyone to the Amoolah-keto and low-carb channel. Today we'll be making Oreo biscuit cookie cake. So straight into the ingredients, we will need 2 cups of coconut flour with a dash of salt in a frying pan. So we will need to toast the coconut flour until the smell is gone and it's slightly a golden color. After toasting the coconut flour, I am now going to add initially 1 tablespoon of Dutch black cacao to give us that rich Oreo flavor and color. If that's not available, we can use regular pure cacao powder. Using a sieve, add the black cacao powder and mix. I'm going to keep adding the cacao and mixing till I reach the desired Oreo mixture color. Now we're going to add 1/3 cup of a keto appropriate sugar, whatever type you prefer. Now we will need some melted butter, which I am going to add to the mixture, tablespoon by tablespoon, till we reach the desired biscuit-like crumble consistency of the mixture. Now we're going to place our Oreo biscuit mixture into 2 separate silicone cake molds, splitting the mixture evenly between the 2 cake molds. And when placing the mixture into the cake mold, make sure to tightly pack the mixture. I am using some parchment paper and a potato masher to make sure the mixture is tightly packed together. After placing the mixture, place the molds into the fridge to chill slightly or allow to cool down on the side if in a cold climate. After allowing the Oreo biscuits to cool down, we now need to add our Oreo filling to one of the biscuits. You can use whatever filling you prefer, but today I'm using some clotted cream, which I have whisked with some keto appropriate sugar, and place and spread the filling on one of the Oreo biscuits. When spread, place into the freezer for a short while until the cream has fully set. When fully set, now we can place the 2 cake molds on top of each other. If fully set, this should be an easy enough process to gently remove the molds. Our Oreo biscuit cookie cake is now ready. As it's a cookie, we can just break pieces off to enjoy with a lovely glass of your preferred milk. I hope you try it out and let me know. Any questions, please leave them below. I'll be happy to help. And until next time.